you of course need to cast on some stitches. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a very basic cast on, and if you want more information or a more in-depth explanation of what you need to do, please refer to my other video about learning how to knit. In this video I will show you everything in slow motion, and I will be talking a little bit in the beginning, but at the end I'll just let the video roll. So start by making a slip knot. You do that by wrapping the yarn around your finger. Then you take the loop that you just made and you put your needle through it, or your finger if you want to. Then you get the yarn and you pull it through the loop that you just made and tighten it with your fingers. Now grab the yarn by inserting your thumb and your index finger in between the two yarns, and grab the rest of the yarn with your last 3 fingers. Now go underneath the loop on your thumb, over the loop on your index finger, and back through the loop on your thumb. Then you can let go of the yarn with your thumb and fasten this stitch on your needle. When you do it again, you can see here that you just pull, basically you're just pulling the yarn from your finger, index finger, through the loop on your thumb. And you will also see here that every time I have made a stitch, I am readjusting my yarns on my left hand so that I always have the same tension, more or less. It's not super important that you tighten the stitch a lot on your needle. It's also not important that they're very loose. They just have to be the same, and if you do tighten them a lot, it might be hard to work in them. So try to stay as loose as you prefer, but no matter how tight or how loose you cast on, they are going to work, so don't worry. So again, here we go underneath the loop on the thumb. We go over to the index finger and get the yarn, and then we go back through the loop on the thumb. And you're just going to continue this. The only stitch that is different is the very first stitch where we did the slip knot. The remaining stitches are all made this way. And I will also mention that there are other ways of casting on. This is just one which is sort of easy. The result is somewhat stretchy, and I think you have very good control over the stitches as you can see them forming on the needle. So I will leave you to watch the video. I hope that there is an angle in here that will be suitable for whatever you need. I hope you will ask questions if you are in doubt, and I hope you will have a good day too.